A diet for people with type 2 diabetes focuses on balancing blood sugar levels and maintaining a healthy body weight. Here are some general guidelines for a type 2 diabetic diet. Welcome to our tutorial on a diet for type 2 diabetes. We are here to help you balance your blood sugar levels while maintaining a healthy body weight. Let's start with carbohydrates. Focus on complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. They are slowly digested, keeping your blood sugar stable. Remember to balance your carb intake with protein. Foods like lean meats, eggs, and tofu can help manage blood sugar spikes and keep you feeling satisfied. Next on the list, fiber. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes. Incorporate foods like oats, lentils, and beans into your meals. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. However, moderation is key as they are high in calories. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. They can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and weight gain. Reaching for water, tea, or coffee instead is a healthier choice. Exercise is also crucial. Regular physical activity will help burn excess blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day. Lastly, consistency is key. Eating at regular intervals helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, so plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. That's it for our tutorial on a diet for type 2 diabetes. We hope these tips help you on your journey to better health. Like it, share, save the video, and follow me, I follow you.